What if I told you that you are just one story away from a completely different life? Let's see if this is that story. In the 1870s, construction of the magnificent Brooklyn Bridge was underway in New York City. The project was led by a brilliant chief engineer named Washington Roebling. But early in the construction, a terrible accident deep beneath the river left him permanently disabled. He was paralyzed, unable to walk or talk, and confined to his bed in constant pain. Everyone thought the great bridge, now a half-finished monument to tragedy, would have to be abandoned. The man in charge was broken. But they had underestimated the power of his will. From his sickbed in an apartment overlooking the construction site, Roebling refused to give up. He could not move, he could not speak, but his mind was as sharp as ever. He devised an ingenious and painstaking way to communicate. With his one good finger, he would tap out coded messages on the arm of his wife, Emily. Letter by letter, word by word, he would communicate his vision. For the next 11 years, Emily became his voice and his hands, relaying his brilliant and detailed instructions to the engineers and workers on the ground. Every single day, Washington Roebling lay in that room, watching the bridge slowly take shape through a telescope. He solved complex engineering problems, managed the massive crew, and oversaw every detail of the construction, all through the silent, tapping language of a single finger. His body was a prison, but his mind was building a masterpiece. In 1883, after 14 long years, the Brooklyn Bridge was finally complete, a modern marvel and one of the most iconic structures in the world. It stood not only as a testament to engineering, but as an enduring monument to one man's unbreakable spirit. When you face the challenges of your week, you will encounter obstacles that make you want to quit. You will feel limited by your resources, your circumstances, or your own perceived weaknesses. In those moments, remember the man in the window. Remember the man who built one of the world's wonders by tapping on his wife's arm. The story of Washington Roebling is a powerful testament that our greatest asset is not our physical ability, but our mind and our will. Our bodies may have limits, but our determination does not. No obstacle is truly insurmountable when your commitment is absolute. Your spirit is far more powerful than your circumstances. This story was filled with lessons. Which one landed right in your heart? I'll be reading every comment to see which parts connected with you the most.